In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Squarespace plan. Whether you're budgeting, comparing features, or confirming renewal dates, it's helpful to know exactly which Squarespace plan your site is on. I'll walk you through the path inside your dashboard, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so you can find this information quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Squarespace site and signing into your account. From your home dashboard, choose the website you want to check. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've selected the correct one so the billing information you see is for the right project. Once you're looking at your site's dashboard, find the Settings option. It's usually in the left-hand sidebar and often shown with a small gear icon. Click that to open your site's settings panel. If your sidebar looks a little different, don't worry. Squarespace updates its interface from time to time. You can also use the search bar at the top of the panel and type Settings to jump there faster. Inside Settings, look for Billing. This is where Squarespace organizes all payment-related items, like website plans, domains, and add-ons. Click Billing to open the Billing Center. If you don't immediately see it, scroll down within the Settings list, or try typing Billing in the Settings search field. Also, if you're using a smaller screen, you might need to expand the navigation to see the full list. Within Billing, select Subscriptions. This is the view that shows your active Squarespace services. Here, you'll see the specific website plan assigned to your site. For example, personal, business, or commerce, along with whether it's billed monthly or annually. You'll also see the next billing date and the amount, which is useful for planning renewals. If you have multiple subscriptions, such as a domain or email add-on, they'll appear here as separate items. Focus on the website plan entry to confirm the plan name and billing cycle. If something looks off, like the plan doesn't match the features you expect, double-check that you're on the right site in your account. Permissions also matter. If you don't have billing access, you may not see subscriptions. In that case, you'll need an admin on the site to grant you the appropriate role. For your records, consider taking a quick screenshot of the subscriptions page, especially if you manage several sites or share billing responsibilities with a team. And that's it. By going to your site, opening Settings, selecting Billing, and then Subscriptions, you can quickly confirm your Squarespace plan and stay on top of renewals with confidence.